Today, I'm going to tell you how to make fresh apple juice without using a blender. For this, I've taken two golden red apples, which are medium in size, and I'm going to cut them into large chunks, starting from the center the way it is shown in the video. Ensure that you leave the center part of it uncut, and I'm going to completely discard the center bit and also remove the seeds from the center to avoid bitterness in the juice. Now I'm going to use this grater. Ensure that you use this kind of a mesh in the grater, and I'm going to grate each of these large chunks into nice grated paste. Here you can see the apples are nicely grated into a paste. The choice of the size of sieve is very important, otherwise we will not find the paste getting out of the grater completely. Now we see that the gravy is completely ready, and we will carry this into a sieve. Now the juice would definitely flow down, but we must ensure that we completely squeeze the maximum juice out of this. We then add some lemon juice to it, top it up with some salt, then some pepper, then some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. And now our apple juice is ready to be had.